Alam mo ba na malilibot mo na ang Iloilo City sa halagang 2,499 pesos per pax? Yes, bestie, sobrang mura talaga nito. Kasama na dito yung private transportation, of course may driver ka na, may fuel na rin yon. Lahat ng entrance fees, bottled waters, and syempre may light snacks ka sa Camina Balay na Bato. Kasama pa dito yung 14 places na pwede mong i-visit sa Iloilo, which includes Green Farm, Milagao Church, Gimbal Vanishing Mansion, Camina Balay na Bato, Esplanade Iloilo, Molo Church, at marami pang iba. Lahat to guys makikita nyo dito sa video na to. So we started our day at 8 a.m. guys. Sinundo kami ng service namin from our hotel and this will be our service for the whole day. Una na nga naming pinuntahan is itong Vanishing Mansion sa Gimbal. Then our next spot is this Gimbal Bridge na hindi na ginagamit. So nagsiserve na lang siya as photo spot. Sobrang ganda dito. So magdala kayo ng damit nyong maganda if you want to take photos like that. O diba, aura. Then our next spot is this church. Nasa gitna ng sementeryo guys. So medyo